Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Montmagny, local and long-distance movers near me. When you need a cheap Montmagny moving company, you need 3 Movers. Our team specializes in local and long-distance moving services at affordable prices. We know how to save you time and make you move far more efficient. Getting the right long-distance moving services will help you save on your relocation. We can offer the following additional options: packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. Whether you need to relocate soon or you have a few months to plan, we can help. Our team of long-distance movers will help you relocate across the country or 100 miles up the road to the next city. A Canada moving company will make your local move simple. Professional movers take away the worry of running out of steam due to all the hard work. You can also avoid injury or damaged items when you trust good local movers. 3 Movers is the right team for your local move. We offer a streamlined process to save you time and energy on any type of local move. If you need to move quickly or just want to save time, we can help. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Montmagny moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.